So I've been wanting to get a smart picture frame to put in my mom's house, and so I'm going to try to set it up so it'll connect to Wi-Fi, and I'm going to see if there's a way for me and my siblings to upload pictures to it so she can just get updated pictures on her desk anytime she just goes by it. So we're gonna give it a shot here and see what we got inside. So inside here is the frame, obviously. Let's see if we can open it up without dropping it. Comes with the little frame, and on the back it looks like this. And in the rest of the box here we have the stand for it. So I'm guessing we would do it this way, so it would go somehow like that, and so it stands up like this with a little stand on it. Not sure what the other stand is for. Don't know. And it comes with a adapter wire. And the plug for the wall. And it's USB, so probably could hook it up to a USB battery pack or anything USB, but I have a power strip here on the floor. And we're gonna plug this in. And it takes an SD card as well, so that's gonna be nice too. And we can take off this notice, and there we go, the Jeemak smart photo frame. And there are no pictures in it now due to the fact that I just opened it. But it looks like it's got a really nice screen. That's gonna be nice. It's gonna look good with the pictures in it. You can see the reflection of the TV watching Hoarders, and you can see the camera there too. But that's what we got so far. And it's Android, basically Android. So it's Android is starting. So it's an Android-based picture frame, so it'll be able to do anything then. So, don't know if it's touchscreen. Oh, it is. English. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a touchscreen. Touchscreen, how awesome. Connect to Wi-Fi. Oh, and it has sound too. I hear it clicking. I don't know if you could hear it click when I was typing, but there, it's connecting to my Wi-Fi now, and it's gonna update it. So you probably don't need to watch it, but it looks like it's got a great picture, and I'm excited to get this thing into action.